Hey guys, Peter Park is here. Welcome to my channel. Today my video is about unboxing product, which is OZMO Action USB-C adapter. Here, have a look. OZMO Action USB-C adapter. It's so small, right? The full name is OZMO Action Dual 3.5mm USB-C adapter. Recently I bought this one to test out my mic. My mic is here, my mic. Look at that. Mic. So this product comes from China and it took about 2 weeks. So why I bought this one? Because I have only 2 cameras making YouTube videos. One is this one, OZMO Action. The other one is this one to make YouTube video. So this camera is iPhone SE. So anyway, I'm going to directly unbox this product and also test out with OZMO Action as well. I'm excited now. So okay, I'm unboxing this product right now. Simple. Ooh. Oh, there's one more box. Okay. There's one more case. Touch. Okay. I think this one. Then how to use it? Okay. Simple. Okay, here's the product. Finally, I've been waiting for 2 weeks to get this one. Right? Oh. Oh my goodness. I was too rushed. Just pulled up. Alright, that's it. This one. Okay. And the box, nothing else. I'm going to test it out. So here, OZMO Action. I think this way. So I'm going to put it like this. Okay. Wow, look at that. Haha. Okay, great. So I'm going to test out the mic. It's this one. Hi, so I'm filming with OZMO Action right now, and this is built-in mic. I hope this is working. I'm going to connect. I'm excited. I hope this is working. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure. I'm going to check. This is built-in. Again, mic. I just quickly checked that actually the mic is not working in the end. I didn't expect that. The issue was the mic here. So I thought it's working, but it's not working. So I'm going to buy a new mic and I will test it out. Yeah, that's so ridiculous. Thank you for watching this video, and I will come back shortly. Anyway, see ya.